So I have a question about ethics. You know, there's this whole point ki indies are better, adopt a stray. And I feel that somehow it puts, you're smiling, you obviously have a point of view. But I'll start with you, but let me finish what I want to say. Is that, see, I feel that, I mean, if you love pets, you should love everybody. Like, why also discriminate against the poor pedigreed guys, yeah? मतलब उन्होंने क्या गलती करी है, right? So, do you feel that this activism has also a bit out of control? And मैं आपसे शुरुआत करूँगी because since you are in the business of breeding, so of course a thing that is said against breeders is that there's a lot of, I mean, animals are treated poorly and that's why. But there must be ethical breeding as well because, I mean, you know, living organisms.
I think ethical is a better word. I would prefer using responsible.
हाँ ठीक है.
Ethical क्या होता है कि मुझे लगता है इसके पीछे काफी ड्रामा हो जाता है. Ethical का सेंस नहीं है.
ठीक है, responsible use करते हैं.
Responsible is much better because people who are into breeding, responsible breeding, वो वैसे ही ethical हो जाते हैं. Because government की इतनी rulings नहीं है. एक पॉइंट और मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करना चाहूँगा because many NGOs are there in Rajasthan and out of Rajasthan, they are supporting us. So the way we guys are working, वो वैसे भी गवर्नमेंट के नॉर्म से बेटर है because I make sure every pet which goes through our platform should be of proper age. 8 weeks का होना चाहिए. Right? Should be of.
Why 8 weeks?
गवर्नमेंट की भी नॉर्म है.
अच्छा.
8 weeks होना चाहिए. छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए.
For adoption.
हाँ. So यहाँ पे एक वेरिएशन आ जाता है कि how we are making sure that we dealing with the responsible people and we doing our properly. So age make sure करते हैं. We make sure about the vaccination part. We make sure about the health part. The tests are there, the power test, discomfort test. Many scenarios are there where we do this blood test and X-ray test also. So we make sure कि जो भी हो रहा है properly हो रहा है. अब बात यहाँ पे आती है regarding the adoption part, the breed part. तो again काफ़ी है यहाँ पे जो नॉनवेज भी खा रहे हैं, काफ़ी जो वेज ही खा रहे हैं, राइट. सो ये तो हमेशा रहने वाला है.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक वो थोड़ा सा स्टिग्मेटाइज जो कर दिया गया है कि आप पेडिग्रीड कुत्ता मत लीजिए, आप यू नो स्ट्रेज को अडॉप्ट कीजिए.
सो यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स हैं मेरा. पहला ये कि ये बोलता कौन है. मेजरली एनजीओ पीपल. अगर वो ये नहीं बोले they'll stop getting funding, डोनेशन नहीं आएगा मेजरली. दूसरा
ट्रूथ बॉम्ब्स आर बीइंग ड्रॉप्ड.
सिंपल है. और दूसरा पॉइंट यहाँ पे आता है, अगर प्लीज आई एम सॉरी बट अगर कोई भी ब्रांड ये बोलता है ना कि I'll prefer adoption, that's your personal philosophy, that's totally fine. अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि go with adoption not for buying part, तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बोलूँगा, प्लीज़ एक स्लोगन डालना आप आपके वर्किंग में कि I'll only sell my product to the customer जिसने अडॉप्ट किया है. अगर उसने बाय करके लिया तो you'll not sell your product. तो वहाँ पे बात खत्म हो जाती है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली वी ऑल आर डूइंग बिजनेस एंड आई एम मेकिंग श्योर द बिजनेस आई एम इनटू वो रेस्पॉन्सिबली होना चाहिए. एंड एट द मोमेंट आई एम डूइंग इट फार बेटर वे द गवर्नमेंट इज आस्किंग. ठीक है. सो देयर आर मेनी बिग पीपल इन द इंडस्ट्री, आउटसाइड द इंडस्ट्री, जिनसे मेरी बात होती है. सो दे आर काइंड ऑफ अप्रिशिएटिंग अस क्योंकि फाइन ठीक है. देयर इज समवन हु इज ट्राइंग टू डू इट वेरी प्रॉपर वे, काइंड ऑफ प्रॉपर वे. एंड आई एम श्योर इन कमिंग 4-5 years और बेटर हो जाएगा हमारा वे. सो देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ दिस थिंग. अडॉप्शन करो, बाय करो. पेट पेरेंट बनने वाले इंडिया के अंदर, राइट. तो पेट पेरेंट्स होंगे तो देयर शुड बी समवन जो रेस्पॉन्सिबली पेट पेरेंट बना रहा है. तो आई वांट टू बी दैट गाय एंड आई एम बीइंग दैट गाय एट द मोमेंट.
You were smiling.
So I was smiling because yes, there are issues. Ideally, strays should get more adopted. Yes, there are issues with
But
respect
why?
to breeding also.
No, but why
and I'm
should
coming
strays
to
be
that
more
also.
adopted?
I mean, it's a personal choice. If one
No,
wants
that's
to
my
adopt,
point, right?
it is personal
this
choice.
Stigmatizing of buying versus
But I think the stigmatizing what people are doing are the unregulated part of the sectors, where he comes and sort things out and iron things out for everyone. Anything which is unregulated across sectors ends up having a number of issues. The same is with the breeders. If they are unregulated, there are no norms, no rules being followed. So that's an issue.
Yeah, that's
and I think
different.
largely people are confined to that unethical breeding only, even when they are preachy or anything. They want to say that you adopt if possible. If not, then you find a responsible way of getting it.
If we look at the overseas markets, they don't have strays. So, the problem of strays is a different issue altogether. So, the point I'm making is that individual choice should not be imposed because a problem has got created for a different, entirely somebody else's or some other causes, So, you have... yeah, please.
So first of all, I would like to tell that I am a 2-time certified trainer also.
Oh, wow.
So
I have a lot of respect for trainers.
So, I have nothing against indie dogs or any. I also have 2 dogs at my home. I have one adopted dog also, which is a Dogo Argentino. So first of all, pet parents need to understand what kind of lifestyle they are living in. in animals, genes are very strong.
Yes.
So when you get an indie dog at home, you don't know that they have a genes of running 5 to 10 kilometers every day, और उनको छीन के खाना पसंद है.
Exactly, exactly.
So जब आप उस डॉग को घर पे लेके आते हो और आप उसको घर में रख देते हो और वॉक नहीं कराते हो 5 kilometers, then that dog get aggressive. After my work, be it any time, I take my dogs for walk myself. I play with them for a ball because they need to get their energy out, which people don't understand. They carry their pets in their arms. I mean, this is not what they want. They want to release their energy. They want to play with the ball. They want to play with the tug. That is what is very important, which I can say through your channel also, that adopt a pet, but you need to understand what kind of lifestyle you are living in and what your dog demands.